What's going on, everybody? So we downtown. I'm sneaker shopping right now. Y'all should see all this stuff they got. We got hella stuff in here. So this is the place where I shop and get my clothing from. Oh, that was nice. This is for all, like, I guess, preteens. Oh, those fire. And these are bloody kicks. We got a TV up here. Alright, let me have a yup. Oh, those fire. Damn, 80. Well, I'll buy those, so it don't matter to me. Yeah, I missed them on vlogs, so yeah. What's going on, y'all? So I'm finally back home. I got my new kicks in here that I'm gonna be unboxing and doing a review on for today's video. But before we get into it, for those that's watching, make sure that y'all please like this video, comment down below what y'all think of, and if you're new, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post, so you won't miss no videos. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a review on my new sneakers. Now, can I get a drum roll, please? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Voila.
Boy, if you don't.
These are fire. These are, oh yeah, I think this is the name. These are the Pony PP1 Racer, as y'all can see right here. I think that's the name of it, or it's just called Ponies. Now, I ain't never wore pony sneakers before, but I was like, since they had a great deal on these, I was going to get red, but they didn't have the size for it, so I just like, I'm gonna get this because I'm tired of wearing like the same color. So I wanted to try the navy blue, white, and red stripes, and it's also a white in the bottom of the sneakers. So you're gonna open it up. Oh yeah, this is my size, believe it or not.
Damn!
Alright, so first I'm gonna show y'all how the box looks. So this is the top. This is this how the bottom looks. I showed y'all this part. This is the back part of the box, and this is the left side of the box. Alright, so now I'm about to open the sneakers. Whoa, these are fire. So as y'all can see, it's like navy blue on the side, and also on the shoelaces, like a indigo color. That's how you pronounce it. INDIGO, I think that's how you say the word. This is the sides, how it looks. They got the red and white stripes on each side, as y'all can see. In the back, they got the name of the sneaker, and this is the bottom part, which is white, and also it got the name right here. So I'm glad I got these. Now I'm not a cheap person. I just like to spend money wisely on sneakers, so that way you'll have more money to get whatever else that you like. Because at the end of the day, sneakers is sneakers. Like, once you wear these, and then a couple of months later, you won't be able to fit these sneakers, and then you'll have to get something else, or you'll probably get the same sneaker but a different size. The color, I was right, it's like a navy blue color. Oh no, it's probably like a tropical blue color, I think. And this is how the inside of the sneaker looks. As y'all can see, this is the bottom part. Alright, now we're gonna do a try on. We're gonna do a try on these sneakers. This is for my right foot, so we about to loosen laces. I gotta take the tag. There's a tag on the sneaker. Yeah, I'm glad I got these. These was on sale, and these are like similar to Vans, so I was like, I'm gonna try these to see what this is about. Like, it's name brand, like it's not like, you know. They fit comfortable, and I'm gonna wear these for like the springtime, because you know it's winter still. Yeah, these are great sneakers to wear for like going to the mall, or you know, just stepping out to get some air, going to the park, whatever. So I'm glad I got these. All right, the laces is tied. It fits comfortable. See? Always get a bigger size, because you don't want to get the same size and you can't really fit it. So always get a bigger size, so that way your foot will be more comfortable wearing this shoe. Yeah, these are dope. Yeah, it's just comfortable. Perfect. And you know what I just noticed? This nigga came with a pair of shoelaces. Oh, so I guess if I don't like these shoelaces, I can put these laces on the sneakers. So that's cool. I'm gonna keep the laces. Alright, so I got my other sneakers on. Now I'm gonna put this sneaker on my left foot. What's name? Gotta make sure ain't nothing in the sneaker, because you know sometimes they be putting like that paper stuff in it. So alright, so got the shoe in. Now I gotta tie shoelaces. For those that haven't for those that's thinking about buying these sneakers, I was going to get the red and white, but I was like, I ain't got nothing to wear for that color, so I was like, I'm gonna just get these. And I like these better. The other ones was like high top sneakers, and these are the low tops, as y'all can see. So I was like, I'm gonna get these. bags off too after this video. I'm gonna do that. Well, this is it, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want to watch more of my sneaker reviews, the links are down below in the description. And also, I got more sneaker reviews coming away, so please be on the lookout for that. Well, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure that y'all please like, comment, subscribe. Watch more videos that I suggest that you must watch. And stay connected with me. Follow me on my social medias down below. Instagram, Snap, Facebook. Everything is down below. And turn on your post notifications also so you won't miss out on no videos. But only if you subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K. I'm sorry. So please subscribe. And like I always tell y'all, love yourself, be yourself, and take care. Alright, love y'all. Peace out. Cue the music.